In this video, I am going to show you how I make my videos for Facebook Reels and or Instagram Reels and TikTok. So here I am on Canva's homepage, and you can either use the mobile video template you see here, or you can use the story template to create your Reels and TikTok videos. Here's your story template. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use the mobile video template, and I pretty much prefer to use that one versus the story template. So first, I am going to go here to the background color, and I'm going to choose a gradient. I'll choose this gradient, the purple and the pink gradient. And I'm going to go to elements here, and we're going to use a red gradient because this little video that I done is about this one, this orange and red gradient. Yeah, that looks better because this video is about a tip regarding YouTube growth. So I'm just going to use that gradient, and I'm going to use a YouTube graphic here. So I'm going to type in YouTube, go to elements and type in YouTube. And I'm going to use one of these YouTube logos. So let's see which one I want to use. I'll use this one, and I'll probably worry about later where I place these elements, because I'm going to place a frame in here to put my videos. So let me see what other element I add. This subscribe element in there. And I'm going to clear this, and I'm going to add a frame. So I think I'll use this tablet frame in the form of a tablet. Let's see here. No, that's not the one I would like to use, because there's one that looks like a tablet, and you have several here that's in the shape of a tablet. The one I'm looking for has like a black outline. Here's the mobile phone frame. I think this is the tablet frame. Yeah, so this is the tablet frame here. And so I am going to use this frame to upload my video in. So I'm going to go to uploads. Now, I already uploaded the video that I want to add in here. So, here's the video. So, I'm going to like click on the video and add that in there. Because when in these frame elements, like when you add a picture of video, it's just going to slide right in there. It's easy to do. So this video is like 42 seconds long. So as you see, when I placed the video inside the frame, it was 5 seconds before it was timed at 5 seconds. But after I put the video in the frame, it went to the time that it actually is, because in this particular template you can set your timing. Like, for example, if you want the video to be 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 30 seconds, you have that ability to do so. It goes up to 30 seconds. And so yeah, so well this goes up to 42 seconds, this video, but you could set it, 30 seconds or more. Because what I remember from it's up to 30 seconds. But if the video longer, I see that it'll let it go further. Because I usually set my videos to at least 30 seconds, a little less. But this is like 42 seconds. So, and as you all know, reels are like what? They give you up to 60 seconds. So, I try to make sure that my reels and TikTok videos are less than 60 seconds or less. Okay, so, and as you see, this video right here, this is one I used before. That's 51 seconds long. So, yeah, try to keep your TikToks and reels less than 60 minutes or less. Okay, so let's see what I'm going to do here. I'm going to go back to the elements and go back to YouTube. I'm going to go to, as you see, I'm clicking on graphics because I was on frames, but going back to the elements. I wanted to see if they had an element with just the word of YouTube, but I'm not seeing an element like that. Well, I'm not seeing that. So I'm just going to put this subscribe right here. I made some changes here. And I might put that little YouTube logo up here. Or maybe it will be better on this side because this side is a little lighter. As orange, that red don't mesh well together. And I'll use this like element here. Okay, so I'm gonna like go down here and play it for you. Anyway, networking and supporting is the way to go, and the only way to go if you want to see growth on your YouTube channel. And I'm not just talking about going to someone's YouTube. Okay, as you see, it was breaking up, but that was the computer doing that stalling, but it's going to play well once you download it. And as you see up here, I had the words of what I was saying up here. You see those on the reels. They don't do that on the YouTube shorts, but or I think they also do it on the TikTok. It's been a while since I posted on TikTok, but I know on Facebook they got it to where you can like caption your reels. So I did that with this. So what I need to do is I need to go back and upload the video without these captions, because I usually do 2 videos where I have a copy with the captions and the one without the captions. So I need to go back and upload the one in here without the captions. Now let's say if I was to use no template and just place the whole entire video on this template, just get rid of the background colors and the elements and things like that, just put the whole video, then I will leave those use the one with the captions. But I don't usually do that when I have a background and elements, background colors and elements in the videos now, or the reels. So I'm going to do another video where I go deeper into that. It's just that I just want to show you the, you know, how to create my reels and TikToks with elements in the background color. Okay, and so I'm pretty much finished with this. So what I'm going to do is go up here and download it to my computer so I can upload it to Facebook or TikTok. I usually do mine on my phone, and I download it on my phone and upload it either to TikTok or Facebook, wherever I want to upload it. Now another thing is, like, if you want to post the same video on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram, I suggest that don't like download the video from TikTok and upload it to Facebook, because Facebook will penalize you for that. You want to make 2 or 3 copies of the videos that's original without the watermark, right? Or there's this tool that I found that will remove watermarks for you. So if you download your video from TikTok and you want to upload it to Facebook Reels, then this tool will help you remove that watermark before you upload it. And I'm going to put the link in the comments to the short video where I speak on that. Okay, so that is basically it of how I make my reel and TikTok videos and Instagram reels. It's very easy to do, and I'm going to do another video after a while where I speak on how to create templates for reels, and, you know, just going a little deeper how to create a reel. So if you like this video, thumbs it up, share it out, be sure to subscribe, click the notifications for alerts of when I upload new videos, and also connect with me on social media. I add that link in the comments. And if you want any type of help with your social media marketing or visual marketing or other services, let's schedule chat. Let me know in the comments if you want to schedule a chat, and we'll talk about when to, you know, schedule according to your time and my time, because, you know, we have to make sure we can are in agreement on the time where we can chat about what services VirtuWorks for You can provide for you. So that is it. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.